In this video we will discuss about adding and modifying the elements of a dictionary. As the element of dictionary are mutable, so modification can be done on the dictionary elements. New key-value pair can be added to an existing dictionary. New elements that are added are always added at the end of the dictionary. If the key being added is new and is not present in the dictionary, then a new key-value pair is added. If the key being added is already present in the dictionary, then it overwrites the existing value of the key if it's different. Update method can also be used to add or update the elements in dictionary. Update method is usually preferred when bulk insertion or modification of elements is required in the dictionary. Let's test the addition and modification of elements in a dictionary using a program. A dictionary is defined here with 6 key-value pair where key A1 and A2 are storing string values. Key A3 and A4 are storing integer values. Key A5 is storing Boolean value and key 6 is storing a list value. First print statement is added to print the complete dictionary elements with key and values. To add a new value, we need to specify the dictionary name followed by key name in square brackets equals the value of the key. A new key is added as A0 with the value as Python. Print statement is added to print the new dictionary after the change. The syntax for updating an element of a dictionary is similar to the addition of elements with just one condition, that the key being used should already be present. Here key A1 is used, which is already present in the dictionary, and we are changing its value. Print statement is added to print the new dictionary after the change. When executed, we can see that the first print statement has printed the complete dictionary elements with the key and value pair. The second print statement has printed the new key-value pair at the end of the dictionary. The third print statement has printed the modified value of the key A1. Now let's test the update method to insert and update the key-value pairs. First, we will use multiple update statements. To use the update, we need to use the dictionary name.update method followed by parenthesis followed by curly braces with the key and value, separated with a colon. The first update method has a key as A2 and value as Python. As key A2 is already present, so it's an update scenario where the existing key value will be updated. The second update method has a key as A3 and value as 11. As key A3 is already present, so it's an update scenario where the existing key value will be updated. The third update method has a key as A11 and value as 100. As key A11 is not present in the dictionary, so it's an insert scenario. Print statement is added to print the new dictionary after the change. When executed, we can see that the first print statement has printed the completed dictionary. In the second print statement, we can see that the value for the key A2 and key A3 has been modified. Also, a new key-value pair has been added to the end of the dictionary. Now let's try to achieve all of these 3 separate statement functionalities in a single update method. It's similar to the above update method used with just a single difference that the key value pairs have to be separated using a comma. As key A2 and A3 is already present, so it will update the existing value and the new key A10 will be added to the end of the dictionary. When executed, we can see that all the changes have been reflected in the dictionary. So, these are the different ways in which we can add or modify the elements of a dictionary.